Good morning. Time to make the coffee. Well, today's temperature is only going to be 74. Right now it's 64 and cool and cloudy, and it actually feels good. So I won't be doing anything in the garden today because it's all wet out there, and I'm taking another staycation day. So yes, I have a long weekend where I'm doing pretty much not a whole lot of anything. Not even cooking much. Just pulling things out of the freezer, things that are quick and easy, and that will be my dinner for tonight. So I need to think about a strategy for starting to clean up my garage. I want to have that done before fall. But I'm only going to work on that on days like today. But since it's a staycation day, I'm not doing that today. But this week we're going to have cooler weather, which is nice. So I'll probably be working on that a little bit. And of course, I'll take you along with me on my garage cleanup journey. And it's going to be a doozy. Too much stuff out there. I don't know what happened. Everything just kind of got crammed out there when I had to switch around my armoire and a desk and office supplies and all kinds of things just got shoved in the garage. So lots of things happening out there. Well, not yet, but they will be coming up here in the future. So stay tuned if you want to go on that journey with me. I don't even want to go on that journey, but I have to. So I think I woke up really early today, like around 4 a.m., and couldn't fall back asleep. So I'm seeing a nap in my future today, and that's fine. I used to fight taking naps. I never liked to nap. I never liked to sleep. That wasn't my thing. But of course, as I get older, and most people as they do get older, do sleep more. A lot of us, our sleep is disrupted for whatever reason. Sometimes we just wake up and then we can't turn our brains off. Other times it's because we need a potty break. But usually I sleep through the night. I usually sleep till about 6 a.m. Sometimes I sleep a little later than that, but I fall asleep at night watching TV, and I know they say you shouldn't do that, but I do it anyway. And then as I doze off, I just turn the TV off and I fall fast asleep. So at those times, I don't have trouble falling asleep. So cheers. This is the mushroom coffee again today. I've kind of been sticking with that on an empty stomach instead of coffee. So if I'm going to have coffee, I usually have it in the afternoon. And that seems to be working okay so far. Well, I'm going to drink my coffee and think about what I don't want to do today. And I am going to do my budget book. So I will meet you over there in a few minutes. All right, back at the budget book. Well, yesterday I did not spend any money. So there's not a whole lot more that I need for the garden. Sometimes as I'm working out there, I come up with things that I need. But I think I've got it going on now. I don't think I need anything else. I still have some dirt if I need to plant any more things. I have pots that I still want to empty, of which I'm reusing the dirt. Now, I haven't amended that dirt, which I need to do. I need to go out and add fertilizer at some point, but I need to look in my garage and see where I put it. So, and then I'll just add it to the top layer and rough up the soil a little bit so that it penetrates, and it should be just fine. So far, everything that I've planted in the used soil is growing nicely. So I did amend it last year, but it needs it again. When you're growing in containers, you need to be mindful of feeding your plants. So that's what I'm doing. But again, I'm taking my time. I'm tired of rushing. I'm tired of deadlines. I want to work at my own pace. And if something is on a different timeline than I am, well, then it has to wait or it has to go away. That's my new philosophy in life. So I'm not planning on going anywhere today, but you never know. It's not a real good day for cookouts here where I live. So I'm sure a lot of people that were planning a cookout for today are probably a little disappointed. But I guess they'll have to move their picnic and their cookout in the house. So that's the way it goes with the weather. But I'm actually glad I'm having a cloudy, rainy day. It's cooler and it's just more comfortable for me. So this week the weather is going to be cooler in the 70s, which I like. I used to like the 80s. Before that, I liked the 90s. The years were good too, but I'm talking about the weather right now. And I like this, like mid-70s is like perfect. So, all right, well, I'm going to finish my coffee, go have myself a little sit down in the chair and make myself a plan about what I want to do and make things nicer for future me. It's cool and rainy today. It actually feels good. The lawn is really green. I have my Dollar Tree Memorial Day flag out. And my flowers are getting some rainwater. It's very peaceful out here this morning. And the cool air feels really good. This morning I'm making a copycat Roman burger, but it's vegetarian. This is Eve's salami, and that is an Impossible burger that I seasoned up. I don't have provolone cheese, but I have Havarti and American, so I did that instead. Some mayo, some lettuce, and some tomato. Now it also calls for onion, but onion gives me indigestion, so I'm going to leave that off. But I could put a little onion powder on the tomato, which I think I will do. So anyway, this Gerard's dressing, I've been using it for a very long time. And now it's in a plastic bottle. It's smaller. This is the glass bottle it used to come in. I saved several of these because they make nice bottles for syrup and dressings. So now I'm glad I did, because now they're plastic. So boo to you, Gerard's, but I'm still going to buy it because it tastes good. But anyway, another victim of shrinkflation. So there it is, a tasty vegetarian Roman burger. Yummy. It was a quick and easy brunch. I had cooked the burger yesterday and seasoned it and everything, and I only took one Impossible burger, and I divided it in half because one of those is just too much for me anymore. They're too fat and too filling. So I usually take the burgers and divide them in half and make 2 smaller patties. Plus I have some tomatoes that I needed to use up. I have a little bit of salad left, so I'm just trying to use up what I have, and then I can save money on food. So I'm going to take the rest of the tomato and chop it up and cook it up in a little bit of butter for tonight's meal because I already pre-cooked some pasta yesterday. So since I'm on staycation, I don't feel like doing a lot of cooking, and since the frying pan is already dirty, I'm going to go ahead and just cook up the tomatoes. It'll only take 5 minutes, and then I'll have everything I need for tonight's dinner. I'm going to have like a macaroni with tomatoes and garlic and something along those lines. Probably add some olive oil to it and call that dinner. And I have a little tiny bit of lettuce left over, bagged lettuce, so I'll have that as a side dish, and I have lots of bread, so maybe I'll make some garlic toast with it too. Anyway, that's what I'm planning for dinner tonight. So I'm just taking it easy today. I'm still in my pajamas. I may get dressed, I may not. The sun's coming out now, so I think the storms are over with. We didn't really have thunderstorms. There was like one big clap of thunder, and that was it yesterday. So it was no big deal. So I'm finishing up my morning coffee. And I should add some ice cubes to it because it's already cold, but there's just a little bit left. So I'm sure I'm going to want to take a nap this afternoon because, like I said, I got up really early. And yeah, I'm just going to chill my way through the day. And part of me wants to go somewhere and go do something. But the other part of me says, nah, too much trouble, just stay home and relax. So that's probably what I'll end up doing. Well, I'm going to finish my coffee and see what other trouble I can get myself into. I added the pasta that I cooked yesterday, and this is tonight's dinner, all ready to go. Here is my favorite activity today. Lazy girl, but that's okay. The work will wait until tomorrow. Sometimes we all need some time off. So take all the time you need and recuperate and feel good and have an awesome day. I've had a taste for ice cream for a couple days now, and I don't have any. And I didn't want to buy any because my freezers are so full. I have to wait until I get some room in there. So I've had this little personal ice cream maker for years. It's a Hamilton Beach. I don't even know if they still sell them. And you put the bottom part in the freezer. And it's been in the freezer forever, so I thought I'd dig it out today. So I have this almond breeze milk that my grandson bought. He's not drinking it, so he bought it to make oatmeal, and it's just sitting in there, so I want to use that up. And then I also have this vanilla cream ice cream for ice cream makers. So I mixed some with some of the almond milk, and it's making a soft serve ice cream. So this is one of the things that I haven't used in years, but I don't want to get rid of because now I don't have to go buy ice cream. So this looks like it's about done. I want to give it a taste, and all it has is an on-off button. So let's see. Don't know if I can do this with one hand, but I'll give it a try. So there we have it. Some soft serve ice cream. Now, the directions say to make it with heavy cream and all that, but I don't have that either, so I'm just going to try this. It's very good. That will definitely do. All right, using it up. Using what I have and what I've had, and trying to not spend money, but I'm spending money anyway because I bought some racks for my downstairs food storage, but that's okay. Like I said, I have 2 of these, and I will be using them now. Right, well, I have a little bit of ice cream left, and then I remembered I have these little shortcakes, and I have the strawberry jam I made the other day out of $1 strawberries. So I'm going to go ahead and make myself a strawberry sundae because I'm on staycation and I can do that. So there we go with that. And then, of course, you have to have whipped cream, right? All right. Doesn't that look good? All from things I've had or things I bought on markdown. Okay, I'm going to go enjoy this, make myself a cup of ticino or a cup of coffee, and I'm going to eat dessert before dinner. Windy. All right, well, here is tonight's quick and easy dinner. My pasta with tomatoes and olive oil and butter, a little bit of garlic toast, and the rest of the bagged salad. So that was easy and quick and didn't take any time at all. Well, today was a very non-productive day, and that's just what I wanted to do. So now I'm just relaxing and having my ticino, the raspberry mocha. Cheers! And I'm just going to watch a little YouTube. And dinner was good, quick and easy. So if you're planning on staying home for a vacation or a staycation, prepare some meals ahead of time. That way you don't have to cook and you really feel like you are a slacker, for lack of a better term.
It's really, really windy out there, so it would have been too windy to do anything in the garden today anyway. But it did end up being sunny and warm, so not a bad day at all. I see a tail walking around here. That's little Lizzie. Anyway, yeah, so I just, made a few things today. The ice cream was fun. It was more like an ice milk, since I didn't have any heavy cream or anything in it, and so it wasn't real high calorie either, other than what you get from the sugar in the mix. But it was kind of fun. So I'm going to put that little ice cream maker cup somewhere where I can get to it more easily, because it was like way at the back of my freezer. I had to take a lot of stuff out of there and get to it, and then I had to put everything back in. So what are you doing, little Lizzie? Are you making a mess? No? You a good girl? Yeah, you can't come over here. Anyway, she has to show me she's a good girl. So, not too exciting of a day today, but I enjoyed it. And let me know what you're doing. Are you going places? Are you staying home and enjoying the weather? Since it's Memorial Day, did you have to work? Did you have visitation with your family, your friends? Let me know in the comments below what you did today. So I didn't see anybody. I didn't go anywhere. I did shop a little bit online, and I found some of the wire shelving that I've been looking for actually at Walmart, and it was quite a bit cheaper than at Home Depot, and it also has wheels, so I can move the thing. And then I also got some clear bins, and so that way I can get my basement food stash back in order. So, all right, my friends, that's all I have for you today. I want to wish you abundant blessings. I love you guys. Be good to yourself. Be good to others. God bless you, and I'll see you next time. Well, it just rained, and it's pretty cool and windy. I just wanted to show you my deck at night, how nicely it lights up. It's really gotten cool. I wish my water fountain was working. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, comment, and like. It helps my channel grow. Don't forget to share. Thanks for watching.